Hi everyone, hi, welcome back for another painting session. The other day I made this painting and it's a dark blue on the background. I love this flow, it's simple, it's beautiful and just something I really enjoy. Today I want to cover this canvas as well with a dark blue, but I made it a little bit lighter and a bit more blue because the other one it looks more black. Also, I do want to use some different colors and I will be scraping again. Let's get started. Let's get started. So I want this color to be fluid because then it's easier to scrape. Maybe this color is quite transparent, so we will see. Oh no, it's... Wow, you see what I did? Let's do the sides right away. Oh, the table is such a mess. I love it when the table is white and so clean, and now it's not. Let's just scrape first, and since this is wet, I can always take that away if I'm not liking it. That is looking cool. That is looking cool. Don't really know about this part up there, but let's just leave it. Let's just start painting. Well, I was already painting, wasn't I? Really oceany. I really like this color palette. It's so cool. And let's go here. Honestly, this is looking amazing so far. My hands. Because I did the sides, when I turned the painting, my hands were covered with paint. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this so far. Yes, that is cool. This is great. Why have I never worked with these colors? It's crazy to me if I'm looking at these. I think composition would be amazing like this. I should stop. I should stop. I think I should stop. Do I want to bring something more here? I don't know. No, don't think so. Lately, I'm becoming a lot better at stopping on time. All right, letting it dry, and I'll bring you up for the dried end result. And here it is in full and framed. I do have to say from here, the colors do not look vibrant, but they are. So let me show you some close-ups. You see, from this angle, you see a lot more color. There's quite some turquoise and a lot of that transparent red, and it looks more orangey. This little part over here is absolutely my favorite part. It looks like this mini wave up here. I think that's so cool. Also really like this line with that orange up there. Very clean and such a rich, deep blue. Cool composition too. Yes, I really like these dark bases. Let me know what you think. I can always work with a dark green, a dark purple, maybe even black. Let me know what you want to see next. And I'll see you next week, Saturday.